We are so excited because today Ryan is back and he's going to teach us how to make this amazing night balm with beef tallow. Hey Provident Preppers, I'm Kylene.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Jonathan, and we're back today because we had so much fun last time, and now there's this new stuff that they slather on their bodies. It makes them smell good and it makes their skin soft, so it works for me. But we're going to learn how to do this today.
Okay, this is seriously amazing. So Ryan calls it Tallow Night Balm, and what it is just this beautiful thick cream that smells amazing, that's got all natural ingredients that we can use so that we do say, so our skin is soft and healthy and beautiful.
And it smells really good.
It does smell really good. So today Ryan is going to teach us how to do it so that you can do it at home. Now that we've kicked Jonathan out, we can get to work. But I am super excited about this because being able to make my own creams and lotions at home, especially ones that only use natural ingredients, are amazing. So before we get into that, I want to reintroduce you to Ryan. We do have, if you click the card in the corner, it'll take you to a video where he taught us how to make homemade soap. But Ryan, tell us a little bit about you and about your company.
Okay, so traditionally, by trade, we're electrical contractors, and that's what we've done for the last many years. And over the last few years, we've decided to diversify, and we've got into some Wagyu cows, and this year we've decided to get into manufacturing, decided to produce homemade or handmade soaps and other products out of natural ingredients.
So we'll teach you how to do it, and you can totally do it at home. But if it seems like more work than what you're into, you can totally go to their website and purchase some of this for yourself. So Ryan, tell me about what we're going to do here.
Okay, so first we're going to get our ingredients. We're going to put, this is just going to be a simple recipe. We're going to put beef tallow, olive oil, and sweet almond oil in here and heat it up to 160 degrees and let it cool down. And then once it gets down, almost solidified again, we'll whip it and put it in our containers.
Oh my goodness, that sounds so much easier than even the soap, and this is cool. So, all right, let's get to it.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with our beef tallow, and I'm actually gonna throw a different ingredient in there. Instead of the sweet almond oil, I'm gonna put mango butter just to show how easy it is, and you don't need to use the exact oils. You can use whatever oils you have.
Awesome.
So we're gonna start with 7 ounces of beef tallow.
Okay, and I love how he's using this scale to measure because he just scoops it in there till it's the right amount.
Okay. Get this out of our way.
Okay, the other thing that I like is that he leaves that same spoon in there every time. So it's always in there, ready to go. If I ever resort to big buckets, that's what I'm gonna do.
And we'll put 1.5 ounces of olive oil.
So he just re-tared the scale and now he's dumping in the olive oil.
And we're gonna throw the mango butter. We'll also do another 1.5 ounces of the mango butter. That's that. Then we'll heat it up to 160 degrees. So what we're doing now is our oils are just about to temperature.
Which is 160 Fahrenheit,
160,
right?
yep.
Okay.
And you kind of want to let it sit there for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes just to get make sure the butter, if you use a butter like cocoa butter or shea butter or mango butter, just to make sure the fats in the butter break down really well so it's not clumpy when you mix it. So we'll let it sit there for a little bit, and then we'll pour it in here, put it in the freezer to cool down, and then we'll whip it and put our scent in. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it in this bowl, and then we'll put it in the freezer and let it set for 10 to 15 minutes till it solidifies.
Now, if we're only using like olive oil, would I need to cool it down?
Probably not, because olive oil probably wouldn't whip really like the butters.
Like the butters do. So to make this, I'm going to need something like the tallow or the butters.
Yeah.
Good to know. So
otherwise, you just have a, if you use it olive oil, it just cool down to liquid form again. You just have a olive oil base. Okay, so we've got our oils. They've solidified. So now we're going to slowly try to whip them. And then we'll get them to a point where we'll put our scent in.
So we're just doing it on low?
Yep, just on low. Mainly so it doesn't splatter everywhere.
Okay, so how can I tell when it's done?
So now you can see that it's more of a white, creamy color instead of the yellow oil color.
Yep.
So I think that's pretty good. Now we'll dump our scent in there. Mix that.
And how much of this is it? This is an essential oil?
This is essential oil. It's tangerine, and it was 48 drops.
I did not have to count that. He did. And then we're just going to beat it.
Yep, we're just going to mix that oil in there. And
that smells so good.
Okay. So there you go. There's the beef tallow cream. That's it.
That's it.
And then we'll put them in our containers here. I'm going to put 2.5 ounces in each one. Okay, that's all it is.
Okay, that was so easy. Ryan, why don't you just run through again the steps?
Okay, so we got our oils measured. We did our beef tallow, our olive oil, our mango butter, heated it up to 160 degrees, put it in the freezer, let it solidify, whipped it real quick, put our essential oil in there, whipped it again, put it in our containers.
That's crazy, it's so easy.
Very cool, and it smells really great. And this comes from Bearbone Naturals, which, the really cool stuff and really good smelling stuff.
So if you don't want to make it yourself, you can go to the website. We'll leave you a link.
Yep.
But if you do make it yourself, for the question of the day today, what would you put in it? I'm thinking I would do definitely like some calendula, do an oil infusion, and then
maybe some sawdust for me.
No,
Okay.
don't ruin it. Johnny, don't listen to him. But for the question of the day, for those of us who really enjoy this kind of stuff, in fact, it's on my hand, and my hand feels so soft, so soft. What would you put in yours? Comment below. And thanks for being part of the solution.